Hey YouTubers, John Kramer here, and though you might not know it from my name, I'm Irish on both sides of my family. Although my mother was the child of Irish immigrants, and most of what I learned about Irish culture comes from her mother, my Grandma O'Donnell. She was quite a character, let me tell you. She could henpeck a man into an early grave, which is what she did to my grandfather and then to my own father because she lived with us. She raised us to believe that the Irish all ate corned beef and cabbage every day, and that the height of their cuisine was the potato pancake, which she could burn to perfection. She warned us to never read the Bible, but to say a rosary every day and to do whatever the priest told us to do, no matter what. My two brothers and I really dodged a bullet there. And she used to regale my 6 siblings and I with colorful phrases like "to beans and grass with ye" or "I'll flail ye alive," which I later found out meant she was threatening to flog us to death. As for the beans and grass thing, I to this day have no idea what she was talking about. In fact, it was only when I grew up and experienced the larger world that I learned anything at all about authentic Irish culture. And so now, I celebrate every St. Patrick's Day in the traditional Irish manner with a bowl of Lucky Charms swimming in Guinness, or Green River for the kiddies. Happy St. Patrick's Day, everyone! I like mine with a touch of Bailey's.